Hello everyone, this is a tiny showcase of my homemade air filter. I have my sanding station up there, which is still getting close. This is still a prototype. There's drawers missing. I have my grinding wheels over here, and the thing is just built from an ordinary fan. This was a 14 bucks fan at a big box store. The controls are wired over there. Again, prototype. Just testing how good it works. It seems to work pretty well, actually. The fan is blowing in this direction, so it creates a lower pressure on this side. And over here I have just a mosquito screen to catch something big that might fly in there, even though I'm going to remove that soon. And then on the side, I opened it up for you guys. There's filters in here. I have two coarse filters. I don't know the declaration anymore. Those are HEPA filters, so specially made for particles. Again, too coarse, and I need to clean this one, which is also why I have to open this one. Coarse, fine. And as you can see, there's lots of air trap. I made those into tiny frames that I can pull out. That's all it is. As you can see, there's most airflow is on this side. So maybe there's an air leak or something, I don't know. Again, wiring is just a prototype, like a beehive sort of. And this is how I mounted the thingy there. Let me adjust. It's just a piece of wood, and this is semi free-flowing. It's not mounted too perfect. I have a ring here to remove sideways air intake, because fans take their air in from the side and not from the back. So in creating this barrier here, and also together with this segmented ring here, I created an airtight barrier, and the fan has to pull the air from the back. This is what it sounds when it's running on full power. I think that's pretty good. And you can lower the power to have a different sound. And the panel to close it up is over here. So it looks like that, and it's much quieter now. You also see how it spins up and down as it's pulling low pressure on this side, so it's working quite harder. So if I remove this, you can hear it spinning up and down. But it's plenty of air going through there. So I would recommend doing this. This is really cheap. You can buy those mats in square sheets of, I don't know, 2 meters. Build one of those. It's, again, almost free.